name is Alex Tang. I'm in 7th grade, and I go to Mesa Verde Middle School. My app, it's right here on the screen. It's called SitKit, and it's mainly used by students, teachers, and sometimes parents. This app is for better communication in classes and in school, so people can be prepared for diseases. And they can be prepared because they track who has a disease and who doesn't. This app uses Scratch, which is a block-based coding website made by people from MIT. So let me show you how it works. There's a loading screen. Yep. Press sign up or sign in. In this case, I'm going to sign up. So, new email. That's going to be like the email you use. So I can put like student@email.com or something. And you type in the password. And it says confirm your password, so you have to confirm what it is. You press continue, and there's a second page. So you have to put in your school, so like school district. You could put zip code, so just put your zip code. Put your student ID, so it's like the number that the student uses so that people can identify them. And they put in the password to verify that it's that student. You press create. And it says welcome because the system kind of already knows you. You just have to sign in or sign up. And it gets like this information from the school. You can press, you can report, you have flu-like symptoms. You can report you have the flu, or you can report that you have COVID-19. Then you view the status, and it shows the status that all people have. You can also go back. Let me reload this. You can press sign in email. You just put your email that you put in. You put in the password that you used. And you can sign in just like that, same thing. There's also a special view. It's teacher view. Press sign in. You put in like teacher, what's your name, and it'll know that you're the teacher. You put in your password, pretend that's the password, and it's kind of like the same view, but instead you can see the updated status, and you can send to students so that they can see the updated statuses, so you kind of have like more power.